If you're tired of seeing more hair in your shower drain than on your head, then stick around. There's something in this formula that most guys overlook, and it might be the missing piece here. So let's go over this DHT blocker. I'm gonna go over what's actually in this formula, show you the capsules themselves, and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision for your supplements. So this is the DHT blocking supplement designed specifically for men dealing with hair thinning. It's a capsule-based formula that combines saw palmetto, biotin, and a bunch of supporting ingredients into what they call a 20-in-1 botanical blend. So this is made in the USA, GMP certified, and gluten-free. So let's have a look at what you're getting here. Okay, you see the bottle here. So you get 90 capsules per bottle. The serving size is 3 capsules per day. Look on the back here. And this does come in a 2-pack. So the 3 capsules per day, that works out to about a month's supply, as the servings per container is 30. So overall, you get 2 months worth of supplements with your purchase. Okay, let's have a look at the capsules themselves. So pretty standard looking capsules here, nothing crazy at all. It's just standard capsule size as well. One thing to note, you'll want to take these with food. Don't take them on an empty stomach. That could cause stomach issues. Okay, so now let's talk about what's actually in this. And this is where it gets interesting here. So we'll look at the supplement facts and the ingredients on the back. So you're not just getting a few ingredients with this supplement. This formula has 3 different proprietary blends on top of the main actives. So we have the foundation ingredients, the saw palmetto. We get 600 milligrams per serving. That's a solid clinical dose. Studies typically use 300 to 600 milligrams. And this is your main DHT blocker. DHT is the hormone linked to hair thinning in men, and saw palmetto helps block it naturally. Okay, then right above that, we have 10,000 mcg of biotin. This is a mega dose here. As you can see, it's 33,333% daily value, way more than you get from basic multivitamin. And it supports stronger hair shafts and helps reduce breakage. So people have mentioned that their hair does feel thicker after consistent use of biotin. Okay, and then below the saw palmetto, we have ashwagandha root extract, 200 milligrams. And this is an adaptogen that helps your body handle stress. And stress can actually accelerate hair thinning by raising cortisol. And this addresses that angle, which is why people call this a triple threat approach here. So you also get vitamin D3, zinc, and lycopene, all of which support overall hair and scalp health. Okay, and then right below that, we have the proprietary blends. So the first one, we have the DHT proprietary blend, has things like nettle root, pygeum bark, green tea extract, pumpkin seeds extract, beta-sitosterol, and beta-sitosterol. And this is your heavy-hitting DHT blocking stack. So multiple ingredients all working together to inhibit the enzyme that converts testosterone to DHT. So instead of relying on saw palmetto alone, you're attacking the DHT from multiple angles here. Pygeum and nettle root both have research behind them for prostate and hair support. Okay, and then below that, we have the hair proprietary blend. We have futi root, ginkgo leaf, Japanese pagoda extract, turmeric root powder. These are traditional herbs focused on hair health and scalp circulation. Futi is used in Chinese medicine specifically for hair. Ginkgo supports blood flow to follicles, and turmeric adds anti-inflammatory benefits. And this blend supports hair health beyond just the blocking DHT. So you can see a common theme here with the supplements, it's just attacking it from all angles. Okay, and then we have the energy and immune supports blend. We have burdock root, reishi mushroom, shiitake mushroom, spirulina, and the adaptogenic mushrooms and nutrient-dense superfoods. So these are adaptogenic mushrooms and nutrient-dense superfoods. And this is the unexpected bonus here. This energy and immune support blend gives you an energy and vitality boost here. And the mushrooms are immune supporting mushrooms, and the spirulina is packed with nutrients. And your hair health is connected to your overall health, so this makes sense to add this. At the very bottom here, we have black pepper fruit extract. This helps your body actually absorb other ingredients up to 30% better. That's what it's claimed to do. And a lot of supplements skip this, but it makes a real difference in whether you're getting the full benefit of the actual supplement. So what do I like about this? The multi-angle approach is really nice for this. You're not just taking, one ingredient and just hoping it works. You get the main actives, the saw palmetto, the biotin, the ashwagandha, plus 3 separate proprietary blends targeting DHT blocking, hair health, and energy support. So that's a lot of coverage in one supplement here. So it really is a triple threat. It addresses hormones, stress, and nutrition all at once. And that's really what just separates this apart from your normal, Biotin and Palmetto supplement. And the capsules are standard size, so not too big. And it's GMP certified and made in the USA. One thing to note here, of course, with any supplement, the results do take time. So you'll need to take these for a month to 2, at least that's what's recommended, to actually see results. It's not just, take it once and you see all the benefits of it. So just keep that in mind. Also, this isn't a miracle cure. It's more of a gentle and natural support approach. Also, one thing that could be improved, it is 3 capsules a day, so that is quite a lot. So usually most supplements cap out at 2 per day, so you are taking that extra capsule per day. So it can just be a little bit annoying if you're taking other supplements as well as these 3 capsules per day. Okay, so who should get this? So men noticing thinning at the crown, hairline, or the temples, this will be good. And if you're seeing more hair in the drain and want to try out a natural approach before going to more aggressive treatments, this could work well for you also. The 600 milligrams of saw palmetto is specifically there to help block DHT, which is often what's causing the thinning. This is also good for guys who've tried basic supplements without any luck. Maybe you grabbed a bottle of biotin or saw palmetto on its own and you didn't see many results. Again, this combines DHT blocking, hair strength, and stress support together, addressing multiple causes instead of just one. And this is also great for preventative cases. So even if you're not seeing any major thinning yet, but want to be proactive about maintaining what you have, this could be good. So who should not get this? So if you're looking for prescription level results, this probably isn't it. This is more of a daily maintenance supplement than a hair restoration treatment. Just keep that in mind. So in my opinion, this is a hair supplement worth checking out if you're looking for a natural approach to supporting hair health.